to an extreme wind, hurricane condition. We're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. If you turn this on, which you got a bigger 1-inch sensor, so what you want to do is do it over here where the wind is blowing that direction. Do not turn it on when the wind is blowing in front of you, because the gimbal could start up sideways. Okay, just to be safe. All right, got it on. All right, obstacle avoidance on. All right. Now I have it in front of me. All right, guys, extremely windy. So what I have to do here is crazy. So, sport mode, woohoo! Look at that, Mavic Pro 2. Woo! And a hurricane wind. Yeah! You ready to do action track? You ready? Here you go. I'm gonna have to lift it up. So you always want to be safe, man, when you're doing this. And all right, I'm gonna go ahead and back it up for a minute. I'm gonna have it right here, and it's gonna track me the other way. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Got a big wave. Woo!
Tracking subject lost.
Lost me. Oh wow, I got blown. That's probably what happened. Woo! Ah! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! That's a big wave! Woo-hoo-hoo! Big wave got me! That's a big wave. Woo. Still tracking. Still tracking. Woo! Still tracking. Uh-oh! I still got it. You can't make a mistake. You make a mistake, you're stuck in there. Woo! My wave is big. So I'm gonna go in. It's coming. Woo! Mavic Pro 2. Woo! Extreme. Yeah. So I gotta go ahead and fix it. Woo! This is real life, guys. Woo! Oh man. Mavic Pro 2. I mean, look at it. I got no controller. A strong wind. You know, I really depend on the Mavic Pro 2. So let's go ahead and see. Woo. Strong wind right now. Woo! With the Osmo action. Woo! Woo! Here's the jump. Here's the jump! Woohoo! Woo! That was fun. And I'm just gonna go ahead. Woo! Woohoo! So you gotta watch me. And I don't have to worry about my drone going there following me. I mean, he can still catch me, and all I gotta do is come back. You know, you can do some tricks. Guys, you see? And then you can just hop it this way, follow you around.
Battery level is low.
Wow.
The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
If you
Go
want
home.
to, you can do some crazy move. And then it's gonna go home. Very accurate. That's what your drone wants to do. See that? Woo! Capture your video.
Landing.
And also able to so what I can do right now, see, I got my board right there and I got a kite. See how hard it is? So I gotta depend on it, and it's supposed to be not land there and have enough time, woo, to capture it. Yeah, you see that? That's called Mavic Pro 2. Woo! See? No controller needed. It's going.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Pro 2.
Critically low battery. Go home.
Going home. Oh, look somewhere. Woo!
Critically low battery.
To catch it. The wind is blowing that direction. You want to catch it behind. And here you go. See that? Simple as that. Woo. Extreme.